My name is Maria Hughes. I am the owner and executive director of Les Enfants Preschool in Palisades Park, New Jersey. I'm also secretary treasurer for New Jersey Childcare Association. So I have been using sterile space services for the past 4 years. It's something that I do on a yearly basis to give me reassurance that our facility is the cleanest and safest that it can be. There have been times where we have had outbreaks in the area and even within the building with another school that shares our space of things like Coxsackie, and it didn't touch us at all where they had to close down. So we know that it works. When COVID-19 came around, Erwin was the first person I called to ask him what we should be doing to make sure that we are safe from COVID. And he came pretty much immediately and was able to spray everything down, disinfect everything the way it needed to be. And I knew at that point that I had done everything I could do to make my environment as safe as it could be. One of the advantages of this service is that it lasts for up to a year and even more than a year. When I've had it done in the past, Erwin has come and done checkups, and our numbers have been good for beyond the year mark. He also gives us a certificate which we can put up on our website. We hang it on our doors, and it tells you and gives you a link to his website, which explains the service. And I've had many parents ask me about it and check it out. And it's something that it's a very great marketing tool for us as a child care center also.